What are some of the big takeaways you have, or things you've learned in scaling the operation that you have that you think would be helpful to share?
Repeatable frameworks. Most marketers, most creators, most people of any creative type, designers, whatever, uh, tend to view process as it inhibits creativity or it limits us in some way. And I actually think that I've learned in my time here that, having limitations in place in terms of like what type of content we're publishing and how we publish it, having a repeatable system
Yep.
that allows for scale, even during a time and in an environment where it's not supposed to be easy to scale content in terms of traffic and signups and stuff like that. Right. Like, I mean, not that it was ever easy, but everyone says now, oh, starting a blog now is like, pointless, or it's so much harder now to rank and search, and all those things are true, but
Yeah.
you can, if you have a pretty repeatable process. Like I said, we were basically starting from scratch in 2017.
Yep.
And, and our domain authority is such that if we write about anything around in our wheelhouse or in our market, we rank for it. And so I think the lesson, I would say, was just learning how to develop a repeatable system early on through the whole, from soup to nuts, from ideation. What kind of topics do we cover? How do we cover them?
Yep.
How do we outline each post? That should be the same.
Yep.
How do we assign things out to writers so they can be most efficient? And, likewise, they don't have to spend hours of research, which is going to run up the cost.
Yep.
How is the post going to be written? How's it going to be distributed? Everything.